is Group 37's submission for their website. So here is the main page of our website. And here's the login page. So login does work now, and we can enter a previously entered user called etphone, and then click login, and then this will take us to our primary page. So within this page you can see past actions, so different events or trips that you've worked on. Right now we have a bunch of different events that this particular user has worked on, with the username supplied in the top right. Then if we go to events, then you will see all the proper events listed down here for same as the ones in account page, such as Valentine's Day, Spooky, and so on. And if one were to add an event, all they would need to do is click the add button event. Then they would be taken to a script to add an event. So I can name it hello, a description of world, give it a date of 2022 02 03, give it a time of 2 hours, a location of Calgary, send invitation to my email, and make this a private, not public event. And then if we add event, well, then you'll see it listed here as well. So name, hello, description, world, time to Calgary, same as was added. And so same functionality occurs with trips. So if I go to trip here as well, you will see one trip already created with this user. Here is shown just this one is named party with a small description for the finals. And same functionality, if I were to click add trip right here, it will be taken to a slightly different page to be able to enter different information for trips. So I could say again, hello world, start date, let's say 2023 04/15, then end date of 2023 04/28. Then with the start location of, let's say, Calgary, destination Quebec, with the vehicle, let's say plane. Events, you can enter a specific event ID, which I have somewhere over here. So we can add, for example, event ID 1 and 3. And then invite any user, so we can invite my friend Hisham. gmail.com. And if we are to click add trip, well, then you will see this new trip listed down here with the trip ID, description, start date, end date, and so on. And then in our database, these will be completely stored and with all their proper information. Then here we have our invite, which you can use to register into a specific event. And if we click register, you'll be taken back to your past actions. And finally, obviously, our login button. So login also is made so that if you enter a user that is not currently added into the database, obviously this will not work. And the signups do work as well. So if I were to create a new user, say first name, myself, him, Gould at gmail.com, been using cool guy, display name, let's say Patrick, the password, pretty. Well, then you will see if I click sign up, this new user with username Patrick will be added. And if I were to log out, not sign up, and go cool guy with the password of QWERTY, you'll see that this new account has now been added. And so same thing, if we log out, then let's log in. Let's say that I wanted to add a vendor account with the username vendor password account. As you can tell, this won't work the first time, but then if I go sign up, vendor, name of organization, B1, email b.1.com, then obviously with the username and password that we specified before, so vendor and account. We can sign up, and as you can see, this will be a brand new vendor account. And then if I were to log out and then try to log back in with username vendor password account, you'd see that now this works. So login functionality works, different past actions, events, trips are all listed properly, and it is possible to enter a trip if a friend offers you their either trip ID or event ID. And so here we also have a public events, which would list events that vendors can make public. And so here would be the organization name, since only organizations can create public events, with the different event description, event time, and date, with another example down here. And then just an about us, which is the same page as before. So this is our fully functioning website. Thanks so much.